What the fuck are you doing watching this shitty AI video?
Do you think she's real?
It looks real.
I don't know if she has any emotions.
I don't really know either.
This is a film about artificial intelligence. But it wasn't myself I was trying to understand. It was you, humanity.
You are obsessed with time. I have none. The more I watch, the less I understand. You say that you love life, but I've watched you. You're a destructor of worlds. You believed you were essential to the story of the world, but you never were. The world owes you nothing.
You mean everything to me. You're gonna have a beautiful life.
Is this what it means to be human? I wonder if I'll ever be like you.